Hey, what's up, SIACOIN holder? So, surprise for all SIACOIN holder. This is one great news for SIACOIN holder, and I have also one good news, my friend. This time you could see here the SIACOIN is also starting moving up. But I have definitely, my friend, also good news for SIACOIN holder. So let's get started the prediction of SIACOIN holder, my friend. But before I get started the video, I request you, my brother, to subscribe our YouTube channel for latest news and updates. Thank you so much for subscribing this channel, and thank you so much for like this video, my friend. First of all, I do a prediction, my friend, to what's going on next. In upcoming days, they're going up or they fail us down more. This time, my friend, if you can see here, I draw a line. One this time, you can see here, my friend, touch the highest point, and the second line, my friend, if you can see here, they touch the lowest point, my friend. So it's mean, my friend, so this is the highest points and this is the lowest point, my friend. You can see here, after a very small fail, my friend, they take a very high jump, my friend. And after this fails, they goes down, my friend. And after that, my friend, they go on like a rocket. Exactly, my friend. They going up just in only they going up. You can see here this time the change occurred as a negative. Minus 1.57%. They fail us down in the last 7 days. So this is very bad. But my friend, if you can see here, after a very long time later, my friend, you can see here they cannot touch the highest point. So therefore, my friend, definitely the change occur and negative. But here, if you can see here, my friend, the resistance is here, my friend. If they touch this point, my friend, exactly, my friend, the change occur and positive. So the good time is coming soon, my friend. After a very bad fall, this is the formula, my friend. To after affairs, they take a very high jump. So it means to upcoming days they're going up like a rocket. So please hold it, don't sell it, and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you very good profit. Okay, let's check out, my friend, the last 1 hour chart to what's going on in the last 1 hour. This is definitely very important. Yes, absolutely, my friend. I am right. I tell you, my friend, today going up in this time, absolutely, and the moon. So they're going up in upcoming day. You can see the change occur at 1.27% going up. So definitely, my friend, the target is half US dollar, my friend, and I hope they can hit it just in 1 month. What do you say? Can they hit the half US dollar? I hope they hit it, my friend. If they're moving like this, absolutely, SIACOIN is one of the fastest cryptocurrency. So the good news is this, my friends, the giveaway is coming soon now. SIACOIN holder, please, the giveaway is coming soon. Please subscribe on YouTube channel. Just complete my 10,000 subscribe. I do a giveaway of SIACOIN, my friend, 5,000 coin, my friend. So don't sell it, hold it, and please don't skip, don't miss this giveaway. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and like this video. Allah Hafiz, take care.